Hello and welcome everyone. Let's continue with our video, and in this video we are going to discuss about two major things. First we will discuss about the IBPS AFO exam strategy, and second we are going to discuss about the new batch, and this new batch is specifically for the English medium student. English medium student means this course will be English medium course. In this course, whatever the content will remain on the screen, that will be in English. Along with that, whatever we are going to explain in the class, that will remain in English only. So this is something which is full English medium batch. Everything will be covered in English, and even the discussion group which will be there on Telegram for your doubts, that will remain in English only. I mean, whatever the answer we are giving there, that's not bilingual, that's not in Hindi, they will remain in English only. So before talking about the new batch which is starting from 16th Feb, we will discuss about the strategy for the IBPS AFO examination. And this strategy will be useful for all the students like those who are the part of ACC, those who want to become the part of ACC, and those who are in self-study. Still this strategy will help you. And to discuss about the strategy and to discuss or to learn the strategy for any examination, first of all, you should know the pattern of examination. So first of all, the structure says pre, mains and interview, right? So in pre, mains and interview, you have three stages. Pre is qualifying. Mains, where you will get 60 questions for 45 minutes, but those 60 questions will give you 80 marks. And after that, 20 marks of interview will be there. So 80 plus 20, total 100 marks will be there. So mains plus interview is something which is merit section. Pre is something which is just qualifying. But in pre, out of 125, you will have to target that at least 60 plus marks you should get to qualify the exam. Don't analyze the cutoff, just analyze the pattern of examination. Don't even think about the cutoff like it was 45, 50 or 55, doesn't matter. Target for 60 plus, that can be 65, 70 or according to your capability, but minimum criteria for pre-examination should be 60 marks out of 125. Now coming to mains examination, like mains examination will give you 80 out of 100. Means total 100 marks will be there to qualify this exam, and out of 100, 80 marks are there with the mains only. So mains is not just an important stage. Mains is very important stage which can ensure your selection, but to appear in the mains you will have to qualify the pre. So both are important. Now talking about the mains examination, as I said, first of all we should know the pattern of the examination, like what they are asking. So here in this table, you can see the analysis or number of questions they asked from the various subjects in 2021, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, and then last year paper, means this year, which was conducted few months ago. And in the end, you can see total. So instead of going with all these years, we'll simply go with the total. So here you can see animal husbandry, soil, horticulture, sorry, not animal husbandry, yeah, agronomy, then soil, horticulture, animal husbandry. Among these four subjects, animal husbandry is the shortest subject, because if I'll say lengthy subject, so that is agronomy and horticulture. After that it is soil, then it is animal husbandry. But see, from animal husbandry till now, highest question have been asked, 54. है ना, horticulture is 43, soil is at 39, agronomy is at 34. Generally, now just try to understand the pattern, how we can decide the strategy to qualify the exam. If I see the student will give preference, like they will study more agronomy, second they will give importance to horticulture or soil science, then they will give importance to animal husbandry. But according to number of questions, first preference should given to animal husbandry, second preference is to horticulture, third is to soil science, and fourth is to agronomy. But here you can see every aspirant, every fresher candidate who do not know about the pattern, they will start with the agronomy only, and first 30 to 40 days they will invest on this one subject, which will give you 34, which have given you 34 questions. But if you invest just 20 days properly in animal husbandry, so this subject in last 5 or 6 years given you 54 questions. So first of all, with this table you will have to understand the pattern, that agronomy and soil is not that much important. Horticulture and animal husbandry are more important, and animal husbandry is the most important subject. After that you can see the number of questions asked in the different subject. But now In second part, you will have to understand one more thing. One more thing is, like, talk about the minor subject: forestry, fisheries, genetics, plant breeding, plant physiology, you can say, or current affairs. Now from current affairs, 28 questions. Wow, 28 questions. See, in last 6 years, 39 questions is there from soil science, and from current affairs, 28 questions. So current affairs is almost equal important to soil science. Then talk about the forestry, 18 questions are there, fisheries, 17 questions are there, engineering, 19 questions are there. So people consider it minor subject, but I will say two statement among between these two statements, you can consider any statement, but this is 101% correct. First statement is, nowadays in competitive exam there is nothing like minor or major. Every subject is major, or you can say every subject is minor, but nothing is like major and minor. First. Second statement, if you want to qualify examination these days, so minor is major. Why I'm giving you this statement? The reason is, everybody will focus on major subject, but very few students will focus on minor subject. But if you have a strong hold on the minor subject, the chances of qualifying exam will be higher. So make sure to consider these subject as a major subject. So give major focus to these subject. And here obviously you'll have to give more time. Like if I'll divide with the traditional approach, so these major subject will take your 60 to 70% time, and these will take 30 to 40, but give 50% and 50% time, because minor subject will give you a competitive edge, will make you better than your potential competitor. So make sure nothing is minor and major. Minor are major for qualifying competitive examination, and there is nothing which is more important or less important. Everything is important. You will have to study the basic of each and every subject. Are you able to understand the pattern? If yes, then let me tell you the strategy. So first of all, a success formula. Success formula to qualify IBPS AFO exam is follow one source. Follow one source only. Have you seen that video of AIR1? So AIR1, who is the student of Agri Coaching Chandigarh, said that I was having 9th edition book. Right now we have 10th edition. He was having 9th edition only. With the 9th edition books, not even with 10th edition, he was able to qualify and secure All India Rank 1. In the video which is available on our YouTube channel, you can listen to his views, and we are about to publish his podcast as well, so you can listen to him what he said about his strategy. So if he can secure AIR1 with the 9th edition, our 10th edition is the better version of 9th edition, and in next 2 months we are about to release our 11th edition as well. Why I'm saying this? Maybe you are going to follow the content of Agri Coaching Chandigarh, or if you feel like that other content is okay, I don't have any issue, but I will say, if you are even following any other content, then don't follow ACC. If you are following ACC, then don't follow any other content. Stay focused on one source only. Maybe there are some students who are having bad experience. They are unable to qualify in first attempt or second attempt, and now they are feeling, nahi yaar, I should leave this source. No, if you are using any other source and you feel like this is important, remain with that one source only. But one source should be revised at least 7 to 8 times. Because the guy who secured AIR, he said, I revised the books more than 15 times. More than 15 times. This is why he was able to qualify with in All India Rank 1. But if you will go with 5 to 8 revision, you can ensure your selection. Along with that, for mains exam, at least 100 plus overall tests and their analysis. Now, 100 plus tests we are going to offer you in this course, in this English medium course, and how to do analysis, or how to do analysis in an effective way, I'm going to explain in the further classes. Talking about the study strategy, how to study now. So guys, first 3 months, at least 3 months are required to build your concept. For concept building, you need 3 months. And if you are a repeater student, then you can be the part of our Brahmastra course, where we are not going to teach you with the basic. There we are going to teach you with the advanced level. But in this course, which is English medium batch, we will start from the basic only. So first 3 months, you need to learn the concept. Now, first 3 months you are giving to learn the concept, but meanwhile, after completing 1 month of these 3 months, from second months onward, start revision, because notes preparation will go simultaneously. Notes preparation doesn't mean that you will have to note each and everything. No, just try to write the crisp information, important data only, that too in your way. You can use Punjabi, Marathi, Urdu, whatever you language want to write, but use it in your own way so that you feel comfortable while reading notes. Or don't do any notes, or don't prepare any notes, just write any extra information if available on the books only. No need to prepare notes, but revision should start from the second month onward. 3 months will take to concept building, but once you covered 1 month, then start the revision, because 5 to 8 revision are compulsory, and along with that test analysis. So this process should go on for 4 months, and first months will be here. So almost you need 5 months. And see guys, if you will listen to my bilingual videos, every time I say 6 to 8 minimum months are required, but here I'm saying 5 to 6. The reason is, why 6 to 8 for the bilingual or Hindi medium? Because those students have little bit more distraction. I don't know why, I don't know what is the reason, but I have seen that we produce better result in the English medium, comparatively less result in the bilingual medium, because they are highly distracted. Distraction is there in the life of English medium student also, but I have realized in past 3 years of my experience, where I started teaching to the English medium student along with the bilingual, because I'm teaching to the bilingual from 2016, but English medium is started in 2020. So this is going to be our 4th year for the English medium students. So I have seen that they have more potential and they can do better in the less time. So 5 to 6 minimum months are required. In an effective way you can prepare. This can be the best strategy to qualify the exam. So this was about the strategy for IBPS AFO. Now talking about the new batch. So talking about the new batch, which is English medium batch, going to start from 16th of Feb. If you have any kind of doubt right now in your mind, just write in the chat section and I will reply you once I will cover my part. So this English medium batch for IBPS AFO is going to be start from 16th Feb only. But before you buy the course from any institution, from any coaching, maybe for 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, 10,000 or 1 lakh, don't go with the money, pricing or advertisement. Just go with their past result, because if their past results are good, that can be a good institution. And talking about our result, out of 390 vacancy, we have given RL plus final selection, total 200 plus selections are there. And along with this 200 plus selection, we have candidate AIR1, AIR2, and instead of calling it AIR3, I will say AIR1 in OBC category, because this guy with 80.80 marks is AIR1 in general category, and this girl 78.67 marks is AIR1 from OBC category. So we have top 3 student among India who were under the guidance of Agri Coaching Chandigarh, and obviously the rank or the selection they were able to secure. The credit goes to their hard work only, because without their hard work it was not possible. But they were getting guidance from Agri Coaching Chandigarh, and we have excellent result in IBPS AFO, and you can verify each and every selection given by us. Now talking about the batch, because if result is good, so definitely batch can be good. So in this batch of English medium, we are going to give you live classes. Daily live classes will be there, and the duration of live classes will remain 2.5 hours. Generally what we do, our classes go on for 1.5 plus 1.5, means daily 3 hours of mains classes. But for English medium batches, we are able to cover the things in a frequent way. So this is why every class will have 1 hour 15 minutes of duration. So that means daily for mains live classes will be there for 2.5 hours. Along with the live classes, you will get the recorded classes of the live classes. Then whatever we are teaching in the class, so that class presentation PPT will be uploaded with the class. Test series will be there. In this course, you will not get pre-classes, but you will get pre-test series, mains classes and mains test series. Discussion group will also be there, and batch duration will be 5 to 6 months. We are targeting to cover everything in 5 months, but then we'll start your test series. Means test series will be started from first day, but regular test and revision will be started. Validity of this course will remain 1 year. Doubt session will be there, doubt group will be there, discussion group will be there, and fee of this course is rupee 4,000. But for first 50 students, we have an offer. That offer is by using top 50. The discount code, the coupon code is top 50. By using this code, you can take the discount of rupees 2000. So this course will cost you only 2200 rupees actually, because top 50 student will get almost 45% discount, not exactly 50%. So around 2200 rupees will be the final cost of this batch. So in this 2200 rupee you are getting pre-test series note classes, but for mains you will have extensively classes. Extensively means daily 2 classes will be there, daily target will be there, daily will give you a target based test discussion group as well as recording of the classes. Now talking about what is available and what is not available in this batch. So first of all, you guys will ask me that, sir, PDF printable notes are included in this batch? So no, it's not included. So 2200 rupees you will have to invest for the batch, and if you want our books, so books are available in rupees 1200. Actually the price of the books is 1500, but you can avail 300 rupees of discount. I'm not sure about the discount code. You can call our helpline number for the discount code available on the books. So almost around 1250 1200 will be the pricing. So 22 plus 1200 means it will be 3400 if you want books. Otherwise PDF printable notes is not the part of this course. And why it is not included? The reason is, if you will print the books, because notes are having almost 1400 pages, even if you will take the printout of the notes, still it will cost you more than rupees 1500, and those notes in the proper binding and cover format books are available in just 1200 rupees. Secondly, if you do not want to print and you want to learn it online only, so it will be difficult to read all those things from the devices, from those small screen devices. That is not effective. So from last 2 years, we are not offering PDF of our notes in any course, not available in any course, right? So printable PDF notes will not be available. Test series, of course, yes, pre plus means test will be there. So overall, we are targeting 100 plus tests for the pre, 100 plus overall test for the mains. I'm talking about overall test, right? Otherwise, subject-wise test, sectional test, topic-wise test will be there. Almost 300 plus tests will be there. But if I say about the overall test, 200 plus overall test will be there. Discussion group, yes, a special discussion group will be created for the English medium student. Pre-batch is not included within this course, but we have pre-batch in bilingual. But if you want pre-batch in English medium, I'll be waiting your comments in the comment section. If I will see that people are interested or people are asking for the English medium batch, so we can plan for it. Because right now we have a teacher who can teach English in English medium, but for content reasoning we have people, they are able to teach in Hindi and bilingual medium but not English medium. But we can hire them if we'll see a demand, right? Because we don't know how many South Indian students want these things in English because they prefer in their local language only. But if we see demand for agricultural student, we can cover this. Live classes, yes, live classes will remain there. Recorded classes will be there. Daily MCQs practice, so almost 100 question of MCQs practice will remain there. So in this batch you will have live classes, recorded classes, daily practice MCQs, test series, and PDF of the class presentation whatever we are teaching. So this is all from my side. If you want to buy this course, you can go to our website agricoaching.in, or you can download our application Agri Coaching Chandigarh. So in Agri Coaching Chandigarh app, in paid section, this course is available, or on website. If you click on the course option, so you will see this course, IBPS AFO Mains 2025 English medium course. Fee is 4000. You can use the coupon code. I already told you that coupon code. क्या है वो coupon code यार? Yeah, that coupon code is top 50. So you can use top 50 for first 50 user. The first 50 user will get this course in just 2200 rupees. Now, if you have any doubt, you can write in the live section, means in the live chat section. I will reply. And if you are watching this video after this time or in recorded form, so you can call our helpline number for your doubts. And this helpline number is wrong, 95200, right? So our helpline number is, really sorry for this mistake. I was unable to revise it. So guys, our helpline number is 95200 I will write it again. So helpline number is 95200902000. You can drop a WhatsApp message on it, and even you can directly contact to me if you have any if you need any kind of guidance. Or Telegram, you can search for agriculture coaching. In Telegram search box, just write agriculture, and without a space write coaching. So agriculture coaching, if you will search, you will see a ID with the name of Deepak Wadhwa. So you can drop any of your query to me as well. But if you have course related query, please contact to helpline number only. But if you have any strategy, or if you need any kind of guidance and you feel like that helpline number or those representative cannot answer, then you can contact me. But please don't contact for the course inquiry. So that inquiry will be handled by my helpline only. Now talking to your parts, if you have any kind of doubt, you can now write in the comment section. सर फ्रेशर के लिए न्यू बैच कब आएगा इंग्लिश मीडियम में? I don't know, you are writing in Hindi and asking for the batch in English medium. So I think so you are asking about the bilingual batch, not English medium. English medium means like we are conducting this video right now. In the same way, it will remain English medium. So I hope so you want bilingual. You can call our helpline number because our bilingual batch is already going on. They will give all the detail. Can I purchase your 10th edition books? Of course you can. Okay. I have purchased English medium course. Live classes available is in applicable to me also from 16th. Of course, yes. If you have English medium course from 16, you will get the live classes. Don't worry. AFO success test series, yes, all those tests will be the part of, not with the tag of AFO success test series because name can be changed, but all those tests will be the part of this course. आपको personal message कैसे करें? So here I have told you the way to send me a personal message. Sir, offer valid till, see, for English medium offer is valid for first 50 student. That can be possibly for today, for tomorrow, or maybe for next 10 days. Sir, how to start preparation for IBPS AFO from the first year of BSc AG? Can I purchase your 10th edition books? Pawan Lal, first of all, I will say from first year onward, do not study for the AFO. If your college is good, they are giving you regular classes, then just focus on the classes and library books. But if college is not good, they are not giving you regular classes, then yes, you can go for 10th edition. But 10th edition is something which is in summarized form. And if you are the student of first year, so that will create a problem. So along with that, you will be requiring classes as well. So I will say either stay with your college classes only, do not buy any books or course, or otherwise, if you feel like that college is not giving you sufficient study hours, then go with the course plus books, not only books. प्रणाम सर पढ़ रहा ओके आप प्लीज हिंदी वाला डाउट बाद में किसी और वीडियो में लिखिएगा हेयर आई वांट टू रिप्लाई इन द इंग्लिश ओनली सो दैट एवरीबॉडी फ्रॉम इंग्लिश मीडियम कैन अंडरस्टैंड success test series when sir, so along with this batch we are starting our test series as well. I will post the schedule of test series, wait for it. Means we are starting the test series from 16 only, but you can expect the test in that test series will be added from 25th of Feb by the end of this month. ओके मेस बुक्स ले लिया हूँ, ब्रह्मास्त्र बैच भी ले लिया हूँ, एएफओ की तैयारी दोबारा तो स्टार्ट करनी सी. जगजीत सिंह जी, इफ इट इज पॉसिबल प्लीज राइट इन इंग्लिश सो दैट एवरीबडी कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड you can write directly to me over my telegram ID. I will reply to you. And you have taken our Brahmastra course, you have the books, then get ready because Brahmastra batch is also starting from 16th of Feb. So we are there for you. So I am going to tell you everything on the class is on 16 Feb in Brahmastra course. Kindly add a note on reserve list. My score is yours. Kindly add a note on reserve list. I'm unable to understand your point. What kind of note I should add? Okay. Okay. Separate test series for other student. Of course, yes. Test series is starting with this course, but if you want to buy only test series, definitely that is also available. Please wait for 2 to 3 days. We are planning something new for the test series. So yes, we will offer you something which is exceptional, which is extraordinary, which is very important for your selection. So if you want only test series, don't worry. Stay connected with us. Within 1 week, I'm going to announce about the test series as well. I have Prime. Do have access to this batch? Of course, yes. If you have Prime, you automatically have the access to this batch. Even you can check in your course. This course is available in your account. Kindly include prelims also in this batch. See, as I already told you, if I'll see that I am having demand about English, so we can talk about, because we already have faculty Piyush sir who can teach in English subject in English, but quant and reasoning will have to hire the faculty. So if I'll see the interest in the comments, then I will think about it. But please make sure that will not be included within this fee, because in 2200 to teach pre-mains interview, that's just impossible. If it is difficult, I can try for it, but if it is impossible, I cannot do that. So if even we will start the pre-batch in English medium, so that will be separate, not within this fee, right? I don't want to give you the fake promise that okay, I will try for it. I'm giving you the genuine answer. I'm studying, but it seems like it's taking more time. I'm also making notes for the classes and I have to read other books as well. How do I manage AFO? So see, the reason is why you are not having efficiency, because you are distracted, because in the message only you said you want to study other books as well. So you are distracted. So first of all, in the morning, start yoga and meditation just for 30 minutes. If you don't want to do yoga, I will say 15 minutes of meditation is compulsory to focus your brain, to give your brain more concentration power. And if you'll be able to concentrate, then you will understand what is the power of one source. Remain with one source, and then try to give 100% concentration while you are studying, and try to use a special technique which is called as power hour. You are writing your message in Hindi, that means you can understand Hindi language. So just see our video. Every day we are posting a video for our 90 minutes of power hour session, where we are giving the target to our offline student, and based on that we are taking a test for them. So that 90 minutes is very beneficial for them. Today I will record their feedback video as well, and you will see they are having exceptional improvement just in 5 days. You can try that technique. Okay, we don't have any prelims coaching for AFO in our region. Prasad, as I said, if I will see the interest in the comment section, definitely I will think about it. Right? Kindly add a note on the reserve list. I'm still not getting. Add a note on. So do you want me? Do you want me to answer that you have the chance of selection? So see, I will say 0.0%, because in reserve list nowadays nobody want to leave this job. So max to max 2 to 5 candidate will qualify from the reserve list. So chances are just 0.01. So if you are in the reserve list by 0.1 mark, 0.1, you can think about your selection. There are 1% chances, but if you are in the reserve list by 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 or more than that, so chances are negligible. You should prepare for the next year. Okay, perfect. Please provide daily success strategy in 25, sir. Please don't write the same message again and again. I already told you within one week I will make this announcement. Please allow me just 1 week only, right? Okay. Okay, I'm now studying Arun Katyan and Neemiraj book, but like to join your classes, do I need to purchase ACC notes? Aryan, see, your name is, I hope so, Aryan, or if something else, really sorry. So see, I don't want to make a public comment, because you have mentioned the name of the author as well. I will not say these books are useful or not. So I will explain this point in the classes only, because you are planning for the course. So we are going to explain you each and everything, and we will try to give you our best. We are not here just for the money, because if we are here for the money, so we are not going to offer the course in 2200 only, because I already gave you the result. If we have these kind of result, we can increase our fee, but we want to ensure increase level of student in our selection list, not in the fee, right? So I'll give the genuine advice, but publicly I cannot comment over the books. I have 10th edition books. Do I need to buy the 11th? No. 10th edition is sufficient. So those who are planning to buy 10th edition after 2 months, they can wait. But if you're planning even 10th edition within next 7 days, please go for it. Because after 2 months, we are going to release our 11th edition. But still 11th edition means for 11th edition, you'll have to wait for 2 months. And these 2 months are very critical, right? Every year we are publishing our new edition. So this will remain go on 11th edition, 10th edition, but with every edition we are changing 10 to 15%, and whatever we are changing we used to discuss in the classes as well, like not separately we are discussing that we have added this content, but generally if we are adding something new, so automatically that will be discussed in the classes. So 10th edition is more than sufficient, don't worry. When will be the current affairs classes start? So current affairs classes were going on, but due to my health, my doctor suggest me to take rest. So a few days ago, I started my regular classes, and today I was feeling good, so I started these promotional videos, because this is again a compulsory part of the coaching, because I'll have to give the awareness. So after a few days, you will see taking current affairs classes as well, but not within this week. Around after 2022, you will see I'll be taking classes for the current affairs. शॉर्ट नोट्स कैसे बनाए मेंस के लिए, राइट इन इंग्लिश, देन आई विल आंसर. Okay, that's all. I have answered all the question. One question is pending. One guy said how to prepare the short notes. So this is something which will take time to answer. So there is a proper method to make notes. So either don't make any notes or make crisp notes. What is the meaning of crisp here, है ना? So crisp means the note should be summarized, straightforward in your language, not just the copy paste of the book. So I will explain in the further video, right? Okay, that's all from my side. Kindly discuss about how to attend the test. Okay, for sure. In the class, I will discuss this. Don't worry, right? I'm having 9th edition books, whether I say study 10th or wait for 11th. So you have 9th edition. So I will say study 9th edition for now, and buy 11th edition after 1.5 or 2 months. Don't buy 10th edition for now. How to prepare? I will answer this question in the classes. This is something which need 10 to 15 minutes to explain. Okay, guys, that's all from my side. Now, if you have any query, you can call our helpline number. So here is our helpline number 95200 90200. So I'll see you on 16th Feb in your first class. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.